Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to use tactical fouls. In the beginning we have to go to settings and gameplay. In gameplay find professional fouls. Switch it on to enable this function. This only affects the professional foul triggered by doing the designated input for them. The designated input for them is R1 plus A or X, depending on your controller. To perform it, you have to be really close to your opponent. Let me enter practice arena to show you. Normally, we've got two options to take the ball from our opponent. We can press simply X or A, or we can press circle to tackle. As you can see, this was the tactical foul. Normally, you tackle by pressing circle or X to shoulder push your opponent, like this. But in case you can't tackle him, press R1 and X to push him out. But be careful, because this foul will always cause yellow card for your player. By this foul, you can pull the shirt of your opponent or kick him. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.